racing. Jesse started with Pearl back. Break quickly at the start, running by the Golden Song. Moving upon the outside, 12 or never. And a post comes next, Princess Tokaya. Grey Angel Stormhole Special Edition is down on the inside. Then followed over by Grand Game. Then next online is In the Nick of Time. Moving up down on the inside is Super Doc. And on the outside comes entry number 10. If this one is Decent Proposal, while Siklag is racing in 13th. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Pearl back, maintaining a 4-length lead. Golden Song in second. 12 or Never's down in third. Then followed over by Special Edition. Grey Angel down on the inside comes Stormhole. Moving upon the outside, unopposed Princess Tokaya. Grand Game then followed over by In the Nick of Time. Super Dog comes next. Next online is Decent Proposal. While Siklag is still racing in 13th. And they are now entering the home stretch via Pearl back. This time by about 5 lengths. Golden Song in second. Special Edition is down on the inside with about 75 meters of the race. The curtain closer belongs to Pearl back. Second is Golden Song Special Edition. 12.
At yan nga po, Pearl Buck.
Doing 127. Medyo may katigasan na siguro yung ating pista. 12.5, 24, 23.5, 27, 1.27 para sa 1,400 meters ang naging preba ni Pearl Back, ridden by D.H. Borbay Jr.
So yan ang ating nangugi sa huling karera sa gabi ito. Unofficially, no? Kaya itong mga spreads natin.
At
Many sa pick 4.
oo nga, may pahabol pa.
Meron?
Si Ed, yung pinakamagaling na runner dyan sa Winners OTB, magse-celebrate pala ng birthday bukas siya. Okay, happy birthday, Ed. Sa Winners OTB. Galing yan kay Ike de la Cruz.
We're gonna take all natin, 542 yan sa ating second set.
Kay Pearl Back halos lahat. 271 winners. Bukas yung aming imbitasyon muli sa inyo. 1:30 po yung ating start time for tomorrow. 1:30, ha? Please do take note. At yung running ng ating 13th Silver Cup, First Gentleman Silver Cup race.
Race number 7.
Race number 7. Bukas yan.
Take 5, 633.
316.5.
Fine, no?
That's D.H. Borbay Jr. Tingnan natin. Okay na.